Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not a good day on this one. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, in fact, I'm just going to get rid of these lines up here. They serve their purpose. But if you watch the past videos, you know I've talked about 002 being an important level. And you can see that price has now actually broken down below that area. Now, does that mean that the entire chart's destroyed? That'd be a little too dramatic, but it's certainly not a good step. It's a movement in the wrong direction. But again, not to the end of the world, but it does bring about the fact that this is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And I'm actually just going to adjust that up because I think now it's back to 0021. It's going to be just the main area. If you go back over the course of time here, you can see that going back to Thursday and then earlier on today, Friday, it just was already struggling at that area. So that is going to be now that near-term area of resistance where if there is any sort of chance of a recovery or reversal, whatever sort of terminology you want to use, no matter the terminology, the point remains the same that, there shouldn't be too much excitement until the price can at least prove itself in the near term by being able to not only break above 0021, but then also be able to close up above it. Now, the reason why I'm not saying that the overall chart's destroyed, and this will mean a little bit more to those that even have a basic understanding of charts, but if you have a basic understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average and know that when the price is up above that level, then generally speaking, you want to see the price stay above it. And on my chart right there, as I've denoted, that is the pink line. And you can see here the price is still up above that level. Now, if next week the price goes down and the value of that is at 0018, so if the price crashes down through 0018, at that point, that's a much different situation, and that's a very, very bearish situation. But that hasn't happened yet, so that's why, in my opinion, at least, you can't say that the entire chart's destroyed because the price is still up above that 200 period moving average. But let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.